now most people are familiar with the basic north and south pole that all magnets have. Recently, people have tried to create a monopolar magnet with just a north or south pole. The problem is, if you break a magnet in half, you get two little magnets with north and south poles. Physics predicts that a monopole is possible, and in this diagram we see it in a dipolar configuration. The problem with monopolar magnetics, if it is a problem, is that it would make free energy and also perpetual motion possible, as seen in the motor here. I didn't think either of these things were possible until I found a magnet that would do it on eBay. Okay, with a normal bar magnet, opposites will attract opposites. A homopolar magnet is a little different. You wind up with one pole. No matter what you do, it's the same pole on both sides. So this is a north pole monopolar magnet. You can see the south pole from the regular bar magnet is attracted to the face. And if I flip the face to the other side, it's attracted to the other side as well. So this is strictly north pole on both sides. Got a little paper clip over here. Now you can see which one's stronger, can't you? So here we go. Got our basic little cradle here. Got the monopole here. Gonna stick to one of the nails a little bit. And then we've got our coil of wire. And the idea is, if we've got a monopolar field, it will induce a small current in the wire, which will create an opposing magnetic field. Anytime you have electricity moving through a coil, which is generated by a coil moving by a magnet, you'll have an opposing field. So it should cause this to flip around a little bit. We should actually have a motor of sorts, which is powered by nothing more than a magnet. So let's see if we get any luck. Just put it in the cradle here. Give it a touch. Whoa! And right off the bat we have it. Wow! A magnetically powered motor. Wow! And a powerful one at that too. Okay, so the really big test, of course, is going to be, are we getting a voltage generated from our free energy device? Put the copper coil back in the field. Give it a little spin. Actually, it looks like it's ready to go on its own. Wow! Look at that thing. It's already starting up. That is amazing. I'm going to touch one lead from the multimeter to the magnet and one to one side of the coil. And if we're getting a voltage, wow, look at that right off the bat. What is that? 2.53 volts. It's dying as the motor dies. And if we can get that balanced well and that magnet keeps that spinning in the field, we are getting completely free energy. Wow. We'll have to work on that cradle a little bit so that the copper wire doesn't come flying out of there. Just to demonstrate, it is copper wire. It's not magnetic in any way unless it's in motion. And that is our free energy device.